All right, today we're going to go over the answers to the Bellwork problem from Thursday, September 24th. So today we had some true or false questions that we need to answer. So number one, the ray from R through points P or Q can be written as RQ or ray RQ or ray RP. That is true. If the ray goes from R through P or Q, if from R through P would be ray RP, and from R through Q would be ray RQ. So this is a true statement. Number two, a diagonal in a polygon is a line segment connecting two of its non-consecutive vertices. To answer that, first we have to say what is a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure that has no curves, all straight lines, and it's all closed in. So here, let's look about it. Let's create a diagonal. Think about playing tic-tac-toe. You can win diagonally. That goes through this polygon, and it connects this vertice that I'm putting the purple dot on to this vertice that I'm putting the purple dot on. And these two vertices are non-consecutive, which makes this a true statement. That diagonal is a line segment because it has a beginning and an end. Number four, this one's a little tricky with the way that it's worded. 2 points are always collinear. This one is true, and we're going to look at why. This is basically saying anytime that you have 2 points, no matter where they are, you can always draw a line between them. So let me find here we go. So if I have 1 point here and 1 point here, those 2 points are going to be collinear because I can make a line that connects them. If I have a point here and a point down here, those are also going to be collinear because I can make a line that goes through both of those points. We'll do one more example. If I have 1 point over here and one way down here, those 2 points are going to be collinear because I can always make a line that goes through both of them. So any 2 points are always going to be collinear because you can make a line that connects them. And we're not going to do number 5. We can skip that one. It is on your paper, but we're not going to do that one. So number 6, if the sum of 2 angles is 90 degrees, then the 2 angles are complementary. That is true, because we know that complementary means the 2 angles add up to 90 degrees.